You're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back, East Texas. Mike Love joins us this morning from Mike Love and Associates, and today we're talking about all the different types of car insurance available and what will be best for you at home. So thank you so much for stopping by.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so kind of tell me the difference between regular insurance and what I'm learning today is UIM insurance.
Well, so state law requires us all, no matter who we are, if we're driving in Texas, to buy a minimum amount of car insurance liability in case I'm driving and I hurt somebody. And right now that's $30,000, right? UIM stands for underinsured or uninsured motorist, and it's different. It works the other direction. So when I tell people when you buy liability insurance, I'm protecting everybody in the world in case I mess up. But it doesn't help me or people in my car or my family if somebody else crashes into me.
I know that all too well.
Okay, so underinsured or uninsured motorist protects me, protects people in my car, my family, even if they're in somebody else's car, if somebody else runs into and crashes into them. So it goes the other way, and it's protecting yourself. It's a lot better insurance buy. We encourage everybody to buy it. That's
kind of frustrating. I mean, imagine you're eating dinner with the family, you come out and your car's been hit, and you say, I have insurance. So why, when you're dealing with it, calling Geico or whoever it is, are you going to have to pay something out of pocket?
Right.
I think that's frustrating for a lot of people.
It is, and there's like one of the terms, full coverage insurance, that's kind of a misnomer as well. A lot of times people think that means I have everything, and it just simply doesn't. Full coverage is actually not a legal term. Agents use it to mean your car is totally protected. So if you buy quote unquote full coverage for your car, if it hail damage, gets stolen, gets into a wreck, your fault or anybody else's fault, the car's protected. But again, it doesn't protect you. So underinsured or uninsured motorist protects the people in your car if it's someone else's fault.
So my question for you then is, say you unfortunately do get in some sort of a wreck or accident, is the process that you go about different for full coverage, or if you have UIM? I know we just said full coverage isn't, but
right.
Generic.
Absolutely. Unfortunately, it's a great question. Unfortunately, yes and no. It used to be different with underinsured motorist policies. It was a lot simpler. The law hasn't changed in the statute, but there's been some recent court decisions in the last 5 or 10 years that really favor insurance companies and make it a lot more complicated for the average person, even some lawyers, to navigate it. So if it's a serious case, then you probably really do need a lawyer, unfortunately.
Yeah, speaking of which, can you give some examples of when you do need to come to you guys at Mike Love and Associates?
Us or anybody that's good. And so, yeah, that's a great question. The way I usually answer that is it's really the same kind of analysis about when you think you might need a doctor. Okay? So if I fall down and scrape my knee, sprain my ankle, or twist something, I'm personally probably not going to go see a doctor or go to the emergency room over that. I'm going to patch it myself, and here I go, right? But if I think I got broken bones, internal injuries, herniated disc, I'm not going to take a shot at fixing that on my own. I'm going to see a professional about that. So if you're in a minor car wreck and it's not a big deal, heck, you might go at it on your own. In fact, our law office, we have a 26-step diagram that we give people to show them how to do their own claim without a lawyer on small cases. But if it's something serious, if somebody's significantly hurt, I would encourage them to talk to a personal injury lawyer that knows what they're doing to get some good advice.
So if anybody has further questions for you, Mike, where's your office located?
We have offices in East Texas, Lufkin primarily, as well as Houston, but you can find us on the internet at texaslawoffice.com.
Sounds good. Thank you so much for stopping by to answer these questions for us.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Absolutely.